Creating an Old Navy account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. To start, navigate to the Old Navy website and click on the Sign In or Create Account button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Next, select the Create Account option and fill out the registration form with your personal details, including your first and last name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to secure your account. You will also be asked to provide some additional information, such as your date of birth and zip code. This information is used to provide you with personalized offers and promotions. After filling out the registration form, click on the Create Account button to submit your information. You will then receive a confirmation email from Old Navy to verify your email address. To verify your email address, simply click on the link provided in the confirmation email. This will activate your Old Navy account and allow you to start shopping and taking advantage of exclusive offers and discounts. As an Old Navy account holder, you will be able to save your favorite items, track your orders, and receive special promotions and rewards. You can also manage your account information, including your password and email preferences, by logging into your account and accessing the account settings page. Best practices for creating and managing an Old Navy account include using a strong and unique password, keeping your account information up to date, and regularly checking your email for exclusive offers and promotions. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and personalized Old Navy account and start enjoying the benefits of being an Old Navy customer.